Hi everyone, my name is Luham and I will proceed to the introduction of our topic. Our group will discuss the importance of radio navigation systems in the aviation industry. First of all, what is radio navigation system? The radio navigation system consists of networks of transmitters that allow the user to locate its position about the network and hence themselves. There are a few types of radio navigation system. We have NDB, non-directional beacon, ADF, automatic direction finding, VOR, VHF, omnidirectional range, DME, distance measuring equipment, radar, radio direction and ranging, and last but not least, GPS, which is global positioning system. NDB is a radio beacon that operates in the medium frequency or low frequency bandwidths. NDB has transmitted a signal of equal strength in all directions. The signal contains a coded element that is used for station identification. NDBs used for aviation are standardized by ICAO. Next, my friend GV will continue.
ADF. ADF is a radio direction finder. It is a device for finding the direction or bearing to a radio source. The act of measuring the direction is known as radio direction finding, or sometimes simply direction finding. The importance of ADF in aviation industry is to provide the pilot with the relative bearing of the beacon to which the equipment is tuned. On the ADF instrument in the cockpit, the needle points towards the selected beacon, enabling the pilot to fly the required procedure. Typical procedures in which NDBs are used are in approaches to airfield and keeping track when flying en route. In addition, when signal from two beacons get received, the pilot can calculate his position, known as obtaining a fix. The ADF works by using the electromagnetic properties of the signal produced by the beacon. Two antennas are required, which are known as the loop antenna and the sense antenna. Thank you. From here, my friend Julia will continue.
Hi, my name is Putri Giovanny and I'm holding metric card number TIM1911644. So VOR or VHF is a very high frequency of nil-directional range. Is a type of short-range radio navigation system for aircraft, enabling aircraft with a receiving unit to determine its position and stay on course by receiving radio signals transmitted by the network of fixed ground radio beacons. VOR or VHF is a very important system to the aviation industry because it provides azimuth information of the heading of the aircraft and is generally used during the en route phase of flight or on a non-precision approach to a runway. VOR stations are used all over the world. Issues caused by VOR to wind developments have already been experienced in and among other countries. The way it working by the phase and the timing of the second signal is carefully designed. Both signals are receiving by aircraft and by comparing the two, it is possible to calculate the angle between the aircraft and the beacon.
That's all from me, and my friend Mira will continue it.
DME, distance measuring equipment, is defined as a navigation beacon, usually coupled with a VOR beacon, to enable aircraft to measure their position relative to that beacon. Aircraft send out a signal which is sent back after a fixed delay by the DME ground equipment. An aircraft can compute its distance to the beacon from the delay of the signal pursued by the aircraft's DME equipment using the speed of light. Radio navigation technology that measures the slant range between an aircraft and ground station by timing the propagation delay of radio signals in the frequency band between 960 and 1215 MHz. Line of visibility between the aircraft and ground station is required. The importance to the aviation industry is to define as a combination of ground and airborne equipment, which gives a continuous slant range distance from station readout by measuring time lapse of a signal transmitted by the aircraft to the station and responded back. DMEs can also provide ground speed and time to station readouts by differentiation. Next, my friend Amir will continue from here.
GPS is a global navigation system that provides location, velocity, and time synchronization. The United States produced it and it belongs to the satellite-based positioning system, important States government and by the Air Force of the United States. GPS is one of the navigation systems in aviation that is used for an aircraft, and the aviation industry started using GPS system in 2010. The importance of GPS is to increase the safety and efficiency of flight. With its accurate, continuous and global capabilities, GPS offers seamless satellite navigation services that satisfy many of the requirements for aviation users. Space-based position and navigation enable three-dimensional position determination for all phases of flight, from departure en route and arrival to airport surface navigation. It also allows more aircraft to fly more favorable and efficient routes, saving time, fuel, and increasing cargo revenue.
In a conclusion, radio navigation system is one of such technologies that is used to assist aircraft to fly successfully. Navigation is a part that plays an important role in aviation and a lot of factors affect it. So having an improved navigation system can ameliorate the scenario in terms of safety and cost. Also focuses on the different advancements and achievements made and proposed over time. That's all from me and my group members. Thank you for your time and your attention. Have a good day. Bye.